1. REST stands for Representational State Transfer, a stateless architectural style that uses standard HTTP methods, GET, POST, etc., and resource-oriented URLs. Example, Product API for accessing product details. 2. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol, a protocol that uses XML for structured information exchange over the network. Example, Weather Service API providing forecasts via XML. 3. GraphQL, a flexible query language for APIs that allows clients to request only the data they need. Example, Movie API fetching just movie details, excluding video. 4. RPC stands for Remote Procedure Call. APIs expose procedures that clients can invoke as if they were local functions. Example, Unit of Measure API performing unit conversions. 5. WebHooks, a mechanism for APIs to push real-time updates to clients upon events. Example, Payment Gateway API notifying transaction success. 6. API versioning, maintaining different versions of the API to support backward compatibility while introducing enhancements. Example, separate endpoints like /v1/users and /v2/users. 7. Rate limiting, controlling the number of API requests a client can make in a defined time frame to prevent abuse. Example, allowing 100 requests per minute and returning HTTP 429 for excess. 8. Caching, storing API responses to improve performance for repeat requests. Example, caching product listings for faster delivery. 9. Filtering, sorting, and searching, allowing clients to fine-tune the data they retrieve by applying filters, sort orders, and search criteria. Example, e-commerce API with filters for price, sort by popularity, and search by product name. 10. Pagination, dividing large sets of data into smaller chunks or pages to improve performance and usability. Example, browsing product list shows only 100 products per page. 11. Error handling, providing meaningful status codes and error messages to help users understand what went wrong. Example, HTTP 404 with message item not found. 12. Authentication and Authorization, ensuring that only authenticated users can access the API, and only authorized users can perform specific actions. Example, using OAuth to access user order history. 13. Statelessness, each API request is independent, containing all the information needed to process it. Example, shopping cart API that doesn't rely on server-side sessions. 14. Bulk operations, supporting multiple operations in a single API request to improve efficiency. Example, sending emails to multiple recipients using one request. 15. HATEOAS stands for Hypermedia as the engine of application state, including navigational links and responses to guide clients to related actions or resources. Example, Product API returning links to similar or related products. 16. Idempotency, guaranteeing that repeating the same request yields the same result without side effects. Example, Payment API charging only once despite multiple pay clicks. 17. Asynchronous Operations, handling time-consuming processes by allowing clients to check back later for completion. Example, Video Processing API returning a job ID for later status checks. 18. Consistency, maintaining uniform design patterns and conventions across the API to enhance developer experience. Example, consistent error structures, date formats, and naming conventions. 19. Field selection, enabling clients to specify the exact fields they want in the response to reduce payload size. Example, Movie API returning only title and release date. 20. Deprecation Policy, defining and communicating a plan for phasing out dated API versions or features. Example, adding deprecation notices in API response headers.